feeling so blue.
I have been singing professionally since 1965.
Just love working with her and seeing the joy that she gets from singing. She just loves what she does.
Everybody was telling me in church they felt so bad that I had to have that knee. They said, you have a nice voice, everybody loves your singing. Get a good doctor and get that knee done. For the last year and a half, my left knee was really bothering me that I had to take medication every day.
It was very debilitating, her knee problem, because pain pills would cause her to become sleepy, and we were looking for a solution.
Here we go, Joey.
On a Sunday evening when I was reading the paper, I saw this whole page about Dr. Thomas Meade. We went to the seminar, and I knew from what he said that he was the one that I wanted.
One of the things that was really appealing to us is that Dr. Meade doesn't use opioids.
He said, if I operate on you, you'll be okay in 5 or 6 weeks, Sarah. I assure you of that.
The days that she was at the facility, he came to see her every day and checked on her, and like I said, it was outstanding.
Perfect. Everything is wonderful. I feel like a new person.
Her quality of life, her outlook, and just, it's really great.
Everybody asks me, who operated on you, Sarah? And that's the first thing that comes out of my mouth. Go and see Dr. Thomas Meade.
Thank you so much.